Hello. In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of adding a card profile in the STid Mobile ID Portal. Before we dive in, please ensure you have the necessary permissions to perform this operation. You will need either super administrator privileges or read and write cards access. Navigate to the Card Profiles menu and click on Import to upload your card profile file. Please note that the file must be in PSE format. Important: to add a card profile, you should have already created a site. Once the file is uploaded, select the site to which you want to assign this card profile and click on Add. After successfully adding the card profile, you'll see the card profile details displayed. Stay tuned for more tutorials and insights on the STid Mobile ID Portal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For any questions, feel free to contact us at support@stid.com. We're here to help.